Hey taxpayers, if you missed to file your income tax return for the past few years, don't stress. There is still way to fix it. Whether you need to file for a loan, visa, or just to stay compliant, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down how you can still file your ITR, the deadlines, the penalties, and most importantly, how to avoid unnecessary fines. So stick around till the end. So let's talk about the updated return, or as the tax department calls it, ITRU under section 139(8)(a). This option allows you to file your tax return even if you have completely missed the original due date. You can even file your ITR for the last 3 years, but with a catch. So, what's the catch? Filing late comes with penalties and additional tax, which we'll get in a bit. Here is a quick breakdown of the deadlines for filing updated returns. For financial year 2023-24, the deadline to file is 31st March 2027. For financial year 2022-23, the deadline to file is 31st March 2026. For financial year 2021-22, the deadline to file is 31st March 2025. So if you have missed filing your ITR, you still have time. But remember, the later you file, the more you might have to pay tax. Who can file updated returns? Individual with a missed tax payment, people who miss to disclose any income and file their tax returns, those who have taxable income but didn't file in time. Who cannot file the updated returns? If you are filing a nil return or have zero tax liability, if you have declared a loss and want to claim benefit, if you are under income tax investigation like search or survey, or received any tax notice. What about the taxes already paid in the financial year? Good news is, if you have already paid the taxes through TDS, TCS, advance tax, or self-assessment tax, you will get credit for these payments. However, remember, you cannot claim a refund. If you are filing an updated return, the government allows tax adjustments but doesn't issue refund for ITRU filers. So, what's the cost of filing late? Number 1. Penalty under Section 234F, rupees 5,000 fine for missing the original return deadline. But here's the trick. If you have already paid extra taxes, the penalty get adjusted. Number 2. Additional tax under Section 140. If you have filed within 12 months after the end of assessment year, you are liable to pay 25% as additional tax. If you file within 24 months of the end of the assessment year, the penalty stands to 50% of the additional tax. This means the later you file, the more you pay. So if you have missed the deadline, don't wait till the last moment. To wrap it up, here is what you need to do right now if you have missed to file your income tax return. Step 1. Check if you are eligible to file an updated return IT. Step 2. Calculate any pending tax liabilities and additional tax. Step 3. File your updated return before the deadline to avoid additional interest liability. Pro tip. File your income tax return ASAP before you receive a tax notice. The income tax department can charge up to 100% penalty for tax evasion. So why take the risk? Hit that like and subscribe button for more tax tips and drop your questions in the comments. Have you ever missed your ITR filing? Share your experience.